generating additional income. Let's start with the most obvious benefit of covered calls: generating additional income. That's how I see it. If you're holding stocks in your portfolio that aren't moving much, why not put them to work? When you sell a covered call, you collect a premium up front, cash that goes straight into your pocket, which I love it. For example, let's say you own 100 shares of a $50 stock and you sell a call option with a $55 strike price for $2 per share. That's $200 into your account right now, no matter what happens next. Even if the stock stays flat or drops slightly, you will keep that premium. Over time, this can add up significantly, especially if you're consistently selling calls on multiple positions. It's like getting paid to wait for your stocks to grow. And who doesn't love extra cash? Huh? Reduce effective cost basis. Here's a game changer. Covered calls can actually lower your cost basis in a stock. Think about it. When you sell a call option, you're paid a premium, and that premium reduces the amount you've effectively paid for the stock. Let's break it down. If you own a stock at $50 and sold a call option for $2, your effective cost basis drops to $48. That means the stock can fall to $48 before starting losing money, and losing money on paper. That creates a built-in cushion, which is incredibly valuable in volatile markets like the ones we have in today. Plus, if the stock does rises, your profits are even higher because you started from a lower cost basis. It's a win-win situation if you ask me. It is a win-win situation that makes your investment more resilient and your risk more manageable. 3. Profit from sideways markets. Let's face it, not every stock is a high-flying winner. Sometimes stocks just trade sideways for weeks or even months. But here's the good news. With covered calls, you can still profit from these stagnant periods. When a stock is stuck in a range, you can repeatedly sell calls options at a strike price slightly above the current price and collect premium each time. For example, if a stock is bouncing between $50 and $55, you can sell a $55 calls and earn income while you wait for a breakout. For example, if a stock is bouncing between $50 and $55, you can sell a $55 calls and earn income while you wait for a breakout. This turns a boring, flat stock into a consistent income generator. It's like getting paid to be patient, and in investing, patience is often rewarded. Manage risk with a defined strategy. One of the biggest advantages of covered calls is the ability to manage risk in a structured way. When you sell a call option, the premium you receive acts as a buffer against potential losses. For example, if you own a stock at $50 and sell a call for $2, your downside protection extends to $48. Additionally, the strike price of the call sets a clear exit point if the stock rises. This means you know exactly where you'll sell the stock if it hits your target, which helps you stock in profits and avoid emotional decision making. Compared to just holding the stocks outright, covered calls give you more discipline and conservative approach to investing, which is especially valuable in uncertain or volatile markets. Enhance your portfolio performance. Finally, covered calls can significantly enhance your portfolio's overall performance. By consistently selling call options, you add a steady stream of income to your portfolio, which can boost your returns even in a flat and declining markets. For example, if you sell covered calls on a portion of your holdings, the premiums you collect can compound over time, leading to higher overall returns. This is especially powerful in a low interest rate environment or during periods of market stagnation. Plus, the additional income improves your risk-adjusted returns, meaning you're getting better performance for the level of risk you're taking. It's a smart strategy way to make your portfolio work harder for you. But remember, at the end of the day, you have to do this with a stock that you truly want to own. It could be any stock. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, whatever, Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola. Like, you really want to own these stocks or a specific stock. For me, I'm holding SPLG, the S&P 500 ETF, which it has over 500 companies in it, 500 holdings, and I don't mind owning the stock. I already own over 200 shares in the Robinhood account, which I can make at least 2 contracts per month. And I'm doing cover calls, meaning like since I'm holding those stocks, right, I'm willing to sell it at a price target. But at the end of the day, I do not want to sell it. I want to keep it. Like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. Like sometimes, like I see the SPLG price is about to reach my target, and I'll wait till the last minute to roll it over. Sometimes, I end up winning, and sometimes I end up rolling the ETF because nothing is perfect in this world. But at the end of the day, if I'm holding 100 shares and I can bring an extra 10 or 15 or maybe an extra $20 a year, right? Because not every contract is going to go your way. Even if I could bring X amount of dollars into my account, for me, is a win-win. So the more shares I own, the more contracts I can make and more premium can I also make. So this is what I'm doing with the SPLG ETF. And like I said, sometimes it works out and sometimes I have to roll over the contract. Nothing in this world is 100%. Sometimes you win and sometimes you end up being neutral. But as long as you can get an extra dollar from your holdings, my opinion is, why not? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next Ivan Stock Talks channel. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you have, please comment or share, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.